Oh my gosh. Do you work here? Oh, can you get it off me?
Yeah. Hey.
Oh. Hey mate, how's it going? Today I'm going to talk to you about my time in Kuranda. Really cute small town that's right outside of Cairns. So at the end of this video I'm going to show you some clips of my time at Kuranda. I'll just tell you a little bit about what we did first. If you love travel you should subscribe because a lot more cool videos like this are coming up. In Kuranda, I went to this butterfly sanctuary which was so nice. You walk through the door and instantly there's butterflies just all around you. It's so cool. And we went to this cafe called Frog's Cafe. It had really nice food. It was reasonably priced. It had really nice coffee. We had some great mango smoothies there that just tasted like pure mango. I had a calamari salad and that was insanely good. Oh, I'm all about calamari and that was just so nice. They actually have like crocodile and emu on the menu as well if you're into that sort of thing. So if you're interested, it's a really cool place to go and check out some local wildlife and also try the local wildlife. I couldn't get there, but maybe you will. We're just sitting at this cafe eating food and there's all these lizards running around our feet at the table. It was really cool. They were massive. They were probably like from shoulder to shoulder on me and they got like this close to your feet. Oh, they were so cute though. It was actually really nice. And the staff there were amazing. They were really good. Then we went to the bird sanctuary, which was awesome, but it was a bit scary in comparison to the butterfly sanctuary because in the butterfly sanctuary, it's so chill. You can't even feel these butterflies' little feet when they land on you. We're in this place for like 2 hours and it's not that big of a place, but it's just so interesting, so relaxing, so tranquil that you just want to live there. We wanted to move to Kuranda. Actually, I've been saying it wrong this whole time. It's Kuranda. Kuranda. Well, I'm a dickhead. So this bird sanctuary was great. It was awesome. I said it was a bit scary because it was just the transition from going to the butterfly place to the bird place. And there is massive parrots in there. There's little birds too that come and sit on you and it's really nice. But there's also massive parrots, like there's big macaws in there. Yeah, it's a bit scary when one of those things that's like the size of your torso comes and sits on your head. Like, I kind of like freeze and didn't know what to do. Yeah, it was really nice to have like the little birds to chirp in your ear. We really enjoyed having some of these parrots on us, but we didn't really spend very long there because it was a bit like, I don't know, this isn't very chill. It was definitely worthwhile. If you're going to do both of these things, I would suggest going to the bird sanctuary first and then going to the butterfly sanctuary. I think that would be a much better order than what we did. At the markets at Kuranda, I got a few things. I was supposed to be saving money today, but you know, I couldn't do it. It was just too nice. So I bought these 2 necklaces. They're actually pretty cheap though. This one was $8 and it's supposed to be a crab's claw, apparently. And then also this one was $4 and it's just like little bits of shell. And then I also saw this on a mannequin and I had to have it. It's actually pants. Check it out. Loving those markets, loving the wildlife. It is a beautiful place. Thumbs up, big thumbs up. So we actually love these places so much that we didn't actually get to see much of the town. So I will be back for sure. I loved it so much. So did my friend Tash. She's a gorgeous girl. You'll surely see her in the footage that's coming up in just a few seconds. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hope you got some great information from it. Please remember to subscribe if you're enjoying this video. And I'll see you next time. Here's the clips. We're sitting here at a cafe in Kuranda and there's little lizards just walking right up to us. Oh, there's one right here. They're so cute. Look at this. gaunt, they just come and sit on you. He's gonna eat my necklace. It's actually pretty crazy in this bird sanctuary. They do just come in and sit on you, and there's some really big birds, and the hordes will come and sit on you. I like birds. It's a bit much. It's all good. Our bus is here to pick us up. I really hope you enjoyed these clips from Kuranda. I really enjoyed making this video. Nice to see you again. See you next time. Oh my gosh. Do you work here? Oh, can you get it off me?
Yeah. Hey.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you.